today I'm gonna talk about how to make and edit your video on YouTube, and it's all by Next. So, ready to record the video with your own voice. What you need is PC, laptop, any device like that. Then you need a microphone, right? And really I'm using 3 programs to do it. So the first one is gonna be OBS Studio. So what you're doing is go to your browser. I'm gonna put the link there in description. What you're gonna do is just go on that website and choose the version you want for the Windows, Mac or Linux. So you download it, right? You install it, and it looks like that. Pretty easy, right? So of course there's few tricks to use it, right? Like you need to set display, then you need to add like make an ad, and then there you go. Display capture, for example, right? You name it and there it is. Game capture as well. You're just putting the name of the game and it's gonna record for you. If you wanna add, like I'm using display capture now at the moment. I also have the game capture there. There's many options to it, but I'm not playing with it. So what you wanna do is go to settings. There you got the general, like all the options. Steam, of course. There's the output. If you're streaming, that's the bar there. But if you wanna record, that's what you are after. So here you choose where you want it. Something's not right. I blocked it. Okay, so that's where you wanna put all your re-recorded videos. Just I've put rec game video YouTube. That's my folder, which is right here. Now I have 2 of them. Doesn't matter. There's the quality of it. I did the large file, FLV, and then hardware. I think that's the best one. Of course, audio, then the video, you wanna choose the 16 frames, FPS, of course. All the base resolutions, and that's really it. There's no need to play. There's no need to play in any of them settings. So, sorry. You just press that start recording there, and it's gonna start recording for you. I'm recording that video, right? So then, when you already have a video, you download the next program, which is Handbrake. I'm gonna put that link in description as well. You just click that and there you go, save file or anything like that. There you go. What I'm doing is simply go to the file, I'm gonna get that one, right? Yeah, that one. Just drop it there, and there we go. you can choose the first screen that's gonna show from the video. I'm gonna choose that one actually. Yeah, I'm gonna choose that one. Now what you wanna do is that the format there, MP4, the dimensions, don't change anything there, don't change anything in filters. Video, I'm always putting 5994. I think it's the best. There you got the audio, subtitles, characters. Now what you wanna do is simply save as. So you're gonna go browse there, and let's say I'm gonna call it, I don't know, wow, show off. And there we go. So now we're gonna start encode. That's the preparation, the remaining time, stuff like that. All your information is on the bottom bar down here. So it's gonna take 3 minutes. So how does it work? Bigger the video, longer it's gonna take. I remember my first videos were like half an hour, so it took ages to encode. But other than that, it's all good, all fun. Of course, then after I encode the video for the different format, MP4, like I said, I'm gonna use the next program, which is called WordShare Filmora. Quite useful. That's the website. I'm gonna put the link in the description as well. You just click, try it for free. You don't have to upgrade it, you don't have to do anything. Of course, like with all like the 2 previews, just save the file. That's it. So we got now 5 minutes there. And of course we can choose what to do. After that's gonna enroll, I choose do nothing. But there are many options: shut down, suspend, hibernate, lock system, log off, quit. So if, for example, it's really late and you wanted to shut it down, just press that, and after that's finished, it's gonna the computer gonna shut down. Pretty useful. Yeah. So now you just have to wait for that to pass by. So I'm gonna cut the video here. There's one more feature I wanna give you a hand with. You can add another video to the cord. There, you just dropping it there, and that's gonna be the next video you're gonna encode. So you can actually put excuse me, five different video, and it's gonna change the format for you, one after another. So you don't have to click it each time, new one. So there we go, finished. So now it should be there. There we go. Wow, show off. There it is. So now we can tune that one off, and we're gonna go to WordShare Filmora. Now what you wanna do is gonna load quite a bit. It does that. It does take a little bit to load. I got version 8.7.3. Now what you wanna do, what I'm using, it's well, like instant cutter. See, there's the update, but I'm good with that version, really. I don't need any other one. What you're doing is open the folder, drop it on your left. Like I'm saying, longer video, long it's gonna take. And now let's see. That's all of it. And then let's say
feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling
I don't know.
good, yeah, you got me
I'm
feeling
gonna pause that one. Let's say you want your video to start from here. You click that one, play off. I don't know. Then I'm gonna choose to that point, or maybe not there. So now I don't want that part. I don't want it, right? All you do, add segment. So that one and that one. I want that without the beginning. That one is crap. Now wait, come again. That's how you delete it. So now we got a full video. And I'll start my video from the map. That one. From here. You do the add segment. And let's say it's gonna be till this very moment, right? Add segment. And now I don't want that part, so I'm waiting. I'm gonna make it when he lands. There we go. Okay, and now that's gonna be the end, right? Let's say I'm not gonna go any further. I'm just gonna make it here, till here. Last segment. And now on, that's the rest of the video I do not want, so I'm just gonna delete it. So now I got them three, right? Oh my god, wait a minute. I don't want that one either. I just wanted them two parts, right? That's your whole video, and that's the part from where to where it is. Now you're gonna go export. You're choosing the folder where you want it, and you can open the folder, send to film over, which you don't want to do that, or do nothing. I'm gonna go open folder, and there you go, them two. Now what you want to do is merge them. So you're just grabbing the first one, there you go, it's been added, and now the second one, the second part. Of course you may only want to cut the beginning on the end or something in the middle. You don't want it. No, what you're doing is export. So wow, now that's the folder when it's gonna be exported. I always using the open output folder. It's gonna merge. There it is. Now you can close that one. Yes. You're going to that screen. You can delete it. Them two. Okay. I will have to turn off that program first. Now you can go to easy mode. Oh, that's a little bit complicated now. So you put in the folder like previous ones. There it is. You can choose the theme and stuff like that. You can select the music. You can add some music and stuff like that. You can see the preview and stuff. like when you choose all of it, I don't play with that one really, because there's no need. If I would do like presentation video, yeah, I would use that one pretty much. I wouldn't use PowerPoint. I would just burn it as a video and do quick presentation of something or something like that. I don't know, whatever you need it for. It's always doing that because it's like I didn't choose anything. It's like basic. See, it's gonna show your video. Now you can share it or something like that. You can choose the format and stuff. But I do not play with that one. Quit, yes. Action cam tool. I don't play with that. That's the full future mode. That client is free. If you can go on YouTube and search the settings how to operate all of that. I couldn't be asked really. See, you can get the packs and stuff. It's even tutorials and stuff. It's gonna help you out. But now, let's say I just finished my video, right? All I have to do now is really go to YouTube. You go into your channel. I'll just click that one. Thanks, so that one. Upload video. Select or upload the file. So you just grab it, release it. There it is. So now you can change the name of the video, you can put description, you can put the tags in, the draft, of course. There's gonna be some thumbnails there, which you can choose. You can choose your own customized there, but the size cannot be more than 2 megabytes. Remember that. So you can just put, for example, something like, I don't know. I do have one of the videos. The very first one is a thing. That are saying, like that one. See that one there? Instead of choosing something like that, you can put your own graphic. It's pretty crafty, there is. See? And there's you got the like tubers you can choose from. Now after you change the name, put the description, put maybe some tags, you can do translations. English, translate into, add new language and stuff, advanced settings. You can put what kind of like what it is about. It's like education, science, technology, comedy, blah 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 blah. Gaming. You can put the game title like World of Warcraft. And anyone who are gonna look for the World of Warcraft videos, one of your video gonna pop up too. Oh, there is the Fortnite as well. See, you can choose the language. Or not applicable. Allow comments. User can provide ratings and video. Many of them. Advanced settings. So that's how it is. I'm not gonna publish that one. Leave the page. So I think that's it really.